Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use back tap for shortcuts on your iPhone. So first of all, let's create shortcuts. But before we start, please make sure that you have created or you have application shortcuts on your iPhone downloaded, so you can find it like this. Shortcuts, this is this application. So now let's set it up. Let's open settings and you want to scroll down to section accessibility. Now let's go to touch section under physical and motor. And now you want to scroll down to back tap. And you can choose either double tap or triple tap. So let's say that for double tap, I would like to make a screenshot, for example, and for triple tap, I would love to mute my iPhone. So you have many options to choose from, so decide which one you want exactly. And now how to use it. You just have to tap the back of your iPhone twice or 3 times to trigger the action. So let's tap twice. And as you can see, screenshot is made. And now let's tap 3 times. Okay, I have my silent mode. So this is basically how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.